and welcome to another video of SaaS Junction. In this video, we'll show you how to disable WordPress plugins even if you don't have admin access. If you are in a situation where you don't have access to the WordPress administrator page but still need to disable some plugins, don't worry, there are a couple of easy options for you. So let's get started. First, let's look at how to disable plugins via the Hpanel WordPress Dashboard. If you are using Hostinger web hosting, then you might be familiar with Hpanel Dashboard. This is the new updated Hostinger Dashboard. To disable the WordPress plugins without the admin page, go to WordPress Dashboard. In this page, you can see security option. Head over to security. Scroll down to the installed plugin list. This is where you will see all the plugins currently installed on your website. From here, you can disable them one by one, clicking on the toggle next to each plugin. So this was the first method on how to disable plugins without the WordPress admin dashboard. Let's look at the second method. For the next method, we will have to use the file manager. Click on File Manager. Inside public.html and WP content, you will find the plugins folder. Inside the plugins folder, there will be all the plugins installed. Head back. If your website doesn't use Elementor, you can simply rename the entire plugins folder to plugins_disabled. You can keep any name as per your choice. After renaming, all the plugins on the website will be disabled. But be careful, use this method only if Elementor is not installed on your website. If your website is built with Elementor, then you will need to be a little more careful. In this case, you can either rename every folder except the Elementor folder or create a new folder and move all the folders inside the plugins directory except for Elementor. Elementor has a special structure, so changing the plugins folder name can cause your site to crash. Just make sure to not change the Elementor folder name and you should be good to go. Both of these options will disable your plugins as the path to the files will not be correct anymore. To re-enable your plugins, simply rename the folders back to plugins or move all the files back to the plugins folder. You can enable each plugin one by one and check which plugin is causing the issue or the vulnerability. By following this process, you will be able to find the corrupted plugin and get your website running smoothly again. If you have any questions regarding disabling WordPress plugins, do comment below. Please like, share and subscribe to SaaS Junction. Thanks for watching and we hope this expert WordPress tip was helpful. See you next time. Take care.